Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm making this video to explain what you should do if your Bluetooth earbuds keep disconnecting from your device. I'll give you a few tips that will help in most cases. You should turn your phone's Bluetooth off and on again to reset the connection. Some Bluetooth earbuds have a physical button that works as a reset button. In that case, open the charging case, press the button, and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. This might also fix the issue. 2. Forget the device from your phone. To do this, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, select the earbuds, choose Forget Device, delete it, and reconnect them. 3. Check that no other Bluetooth earbuds are trying to connect to your phone. This can cause interference and make your current earbuds disconnect. 4. Go to your phone's settings, look for the Reset option, and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Data, and Bluetooth. Keep in mind that this will restore these three connections to factory settings. Your phone will forget all Wi-Fi passwords, mobile data settings, and every Bluetooth device previously saved. 5. Test your earbuds on another device to check whether the problem is with your earbuds or your phone. 6. If your earbuds are from well-known brands like Sony, Samsung, Xiaomi, etc., they usually come with a dedicated app. Open the app and check if there's a pending update. If there is, install it. If this video helped you, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and comment which solution worked for you. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next video.